Hello, my name is Tracy Allen and I want to welcome you to Cooking with Some Friends.
Hello and welcome to Cooking with Some Friends. I'm going to share with you a recipe for some super easy chocolate chip cheesecake bars. And the reason they're so easy, you can make your own chocolate chip cookie dough, or you can buy pre-packaged chocolate chip cookie dough. And for this recipe, you can use one container. You can buy the logs, or you can buy the tubs of pre-made chocolate chip cookie dough. And you're going to need 2 packages of, if they're the 20 ounce, or just 1 tub if they're the 38 or to 40 ounce. And then I'm going to make the cheesecake part of that now. So I've first put half of my chocolate chip cookie dough in the bottom of an 8x8. Now the cheesecake part, I have 8 ounces of soft cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to mix this together. And then I'll spread that over the bottom layer of cookie dough. Baking pies this morning. Other stuff ready. Okay, put this over my bottom layer, and then I'll top it with the rest of my cookie dough. And then I will put this in my oven at 350 for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then I'll let this cool and cut it, and then refrigerate it because of the cheesecake part of it. And then we can enjoy them. Put the rest of my dough on, and then I'll put it in the oven.
Thanks for joining us for this session of Cooking with Some Friends. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And find us on Facebook at Cooking with Some Friends.